From the first breath, the fire was near. A crown of truth that I was meant to wear. I was the distance, I faced the time, but I never break. What's mine is mine. No gift, no favor, no borrowed light. I was born in power, I claim my right. I hold the hand of destiny. It was written in the core of me. I took nothing, I crossed no line. Rise and claim what was always mine. Every shadow trying to make me doubt, but was it something you can turn out? The road was waiting, the gates were wide, the place was carved with my name inside. No, not sticking, not stolen ground. I was told that days the wars burn around. I hold the end of destiny. It was written in the core of me. I said nothing, I crossed no line. I rise and claim what was always mine. I hold myself the stars above. I hold myself unyielding love. No debt to pay, no crown to buy. My birthright shines, it will never die. Oh, the hand of destiny, it was way from eternity. Through every trial, the truth will shine. I claim at last what was always mine.